guys.
Hey
Welcome
guys.
back to The Sweet Life. Today's video is about the Forrest Nature Spa. We spent 2 days away in the crags there at Forrest Nature Spa. It's such a beautiful place. We really enjoyed our time there.
Yeah, it was pretty, I would say it's pretty breathtaking. I'm sure you'll hear within the video. We couldn't quite stop taking photos and just being mesmerized. It was really just some time away, just to recoup and just to relax a bit and enjoy our company. We were also celebrating a late birthday as well as an anniversary, so yeah.
We went to lunch between our time there, so we were there. What time did we get there?
I'd say about just after 1:30, which we were lucky enough because we were checked in earlier.
And then we basically had the whole afternoon there, and then we spent a little bit of time there, which you guys will see, and then we went for lunch at Enrico's. I didn't film anything, but we will add some pictures of our lunch and what we ate and all of that. And then after that we came back and we had some wine on the daybed, and then we
just had a few photos. Decided to maybe have a little photo shoot, just try and make the most of what we actually were experiencing.
What we were in. And then we played a game after we had a few glasses of wine.
It's quite funny actually.
It was like a countries game where you put a picture of the country on your forehead, and then the other person has like 10 seconds to look at it, and then you have to ask and answer questions about what you saw and that, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then we just frolicked around, just enjoyed some time alone, and then
we fell asleep on the couch, and then we woke up and then
decided to get a day on. We had a few plans heading back home. Wanted to visit a very, I wouldn't say special, but a place that we both enjoy and we haven't been to in a while in Surfers.
It's such a beautiful area, and we don't go there as much as we'd like, but at least now you guys get to see a little bit of Plate in the Crags and what that has to offer.
Yeah. And I think like we said before, and when we started, we're very grateful for this opportunity. Quite happy to have had some time away.
So we really hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like and subscribe, and comment what you guys would like for us to do next, or what you guys would like to see from us, and we would love to give that to you guys. So enjoy the video, everyone. No.
At least.
Yeah. I saw this place and I was like, wow, we have to come and have a look. You just leave them over here. Okay, perfect. Oh wow.
Yes.
This is so beautiful.
Pop your bag, and then I'm going to quickly tell you all about us.
Wow. I'm alright for now, thank you. Yes.
All good, thank you.
All good. Okay. So come on over.
Okay.
And
Wow. Sure.
Right, you don't want to disturb.
I know cats are terrible. You feel bad disturbing
them.
Like on top of you, and you're like, I can't move ever. So we're totally off the grid. That means that all our power comes from the sun. Okay. And so it's just about being mindful about it.
Sure.
We have got a good off-the-grid system, but of course
our accommodation. It's Forrest Nature Spa. There's Hades. He is just gonna go put our bottle of wine in the fridge, and then we're gonna be off to dinner, and then we'll be back to enjoy this beautiful place. So we basically have the place to ourselves. We are the only guests here tonight, so we have this huge place all to ourselves, which I think is pretty cool. It is our anniversary today, so we are celebrating not only Hayden's birthday but also our anniversary as well. So happy anniversary, Mom. I can't believe we have this place to ourselves.
We always seem to land ourselves.
This is pretty good luck.
Okay, right, we're going.
We're going.
Come on.
Some soul and
Luigi, half a Luigi and half a Papa.
that's
pretty
cool that
good,
they
eh?
do that.
Yeah.
You can get a taste of all of them. Mm-hmm.
Alright, welcome guys.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib.
That's the door. To the right. First you come into the bed, you're walking to the bathroom. Oh, love the design. Guys, you're alright. Bit of a shower bar as well. I like this basic.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. The layout is very nice.
Every time we walk, visit our bedroom.
Very, very nice.
We got the. Did you get the garden bedroom? What was on the side?
Garden.
Garden room. So that
Garden
obviously
room.
tells if you've got out it just to the right.
Oh, nice. There's even a little pathway over there.
Very beautiful, yeah.
Very nice.
Thanks, my love.
Happy birthday, baby. That wasn't a poop, that was the floor.
I didn't look at it. Okay. Do you know where it is?
It's Berlin, Germany.
Okay, but that wasn't a question, I'm just asking you. Okay. What food is shown?
A currywurst.
Nice, my love. How many flags can you see?
1, 2.
How many?
2.
What color is the fork?
Actually, spotting the fork.
Yeah.
Red. Fork.
Yo, that's tough.
Let's
It's
see.
purple. Which famous person you showed?
Some magician.
First walking from the Blue Angel, old man wearing a hat.
Yes.
Yes. Unlucky is a famous person wearing a bow tie. Your dad is tough.
That's
but
tough. My broom.
I'm gonna fucking lose this shit. Yo.
Are you ready?
I hope so.
8, 9, 10. Look at the
Took it away.
Which food is shown?
Hey, cheese fondant. Is it?
Nice!
Yo!
Fondue.
Fondue.
Polyband cab.
Red.
Yes. Does the statue show a seated or standing figure?
Standing.
I don't know. What time is shown on the watch?
No.
I can't even tell time. Give me anything. Okay, next one.
Yeah, but
Does the church have a dome or a spire? Spire?
spire. Spire shape. It has a spire shape. Yes. Yeah.
Did I get to keep mine?
No, because we didn't.
How did you put it away? You didn't get all of them right though either.
Exactly. Yo, just so much straight.
Yeah, so now we're just enjoying a cup of
Nice cup of
hot chocolate
hot chocolate.
and a good fire and some good music, and then we will probably hit the hay. We went to Enrico's for lunch/dinner. I didn't really film anything, but I'll put some photos up of what we ate and what it looks like there. It's a really beautiful restaurant. It's on the beach, like on the
In Kilburns.
in Kilburn, just on the beach. I had a sole and Hades had like a mixture.
Half and half pizza. It was
a
pretty cool.
mixture, yeah. And then came back because we wanted to spend most of the afternoon here. And then we just chilled on the day bed. Met with one of the guys that lives on the property. Very, very cool guy. His name is Warren. Yeah, very cool guy. This place is honestly just
So breathtaking.
yeah.
Like
Find ourselves can't stop taking pictures here. It's so beautiful. There's like everything in the house, the detail that they've gone to
it's just
is beautiful.
yeah, astounding.
I don't know what's going on here. There we go. So that basically concludes day 1 of our weekend / 2 days away. So tomorrow
We're
we
going
have
to
got breakfast. We'll show you a bit.
a bit
We'll show you a bit around
tomorrow morning.
Early in the morning, and then obviously show you breakfast. Whoa.
Some sparks going on here.
And then just show you what we get up to for the rest of the day. And yeah,
Gonna be a good day.
gonna be a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone. We fell asleep pretty early last night. We fell asleep in front of the fire, and then we just moved to the room later in the evening. Now we've just woken up. We've had a cup of coffee. Hayden's now just gonna get ready for the day, And then the lady here, Louise, we've got breakfast here at 8:30. It's now 8, so we're gonna get done and get finished and then head on for breakfast, and then we'll just take you along with us for the rest of the day. Some lions in the background. Keen for brekkie. Coffee and a view. Enjoy your brekkie. We'd also just like to mention that this little kitty really made our stay that much more enjoyable. Her name is Annabelle, and she was around us all the time, and we just really enjoyed her company. Thanks everyone for watching, and have a great day or evening or wherever you are.
Wherever you may be, just know you got a lot of love from Sweet Life, and we appreciate the love and support.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Right, have a good evening. Bye.